Making a slime with mystery wheel. Shaving foam. Put it into the bowl. Plastic snow and activator. Pouring it into the bowl. Glue. Pouring it into the bowl. Mixing it up. More shaving foam. I'm going to call it Marshmallow Crunch.